Hey guys, today I want to show you my biggest Christmas gift. I got this in my package today. It's the 2 Comma Club Award from ClickFunnels. So for those of you who are searching for this video, you guys should already know what ClickFunnels is. So I'm just gonna open it and see what's inside, and I'll talk a little bit about my stories behind how I got this ClickFunnels Award. $1 million 2 Comma Club, ClickFunnels, and here's my name and my brand name and the year. And here it says membership into the 2 Comma Club Award, membership into the 2 Comma Club for earning over 1 million with ClickFunnels. Now let me share the story behind my company Ellenpro. So I started my e-commerce business back in 2011, and in 2014 I reached 7-figure for my e-commerce business. So I thought it would be great if I could teach people on how exactly I did that. So in 2015, I started Ellenpro, where I teach people about how to source products from China and then list on Amazon and eBay so they could have a profitable e-commerce store. And for the first 18 months, I didn't make any sales for Ellenpro because selling physical products and selling service are completely different ways of doing strategy. And I didn't know how to do it. So that's why I spent a lot of time figuring out, hiring mentors, taking online classes to get where I am today. When I first started out, I focused on English speaking market, which I didn't know that there were tons of Amazon coaches out there who's already doing that. So that's why I shift my focus to Mandarin speakers. And that's how I start to pop out. So if you can find a niche market in your coaching business, go ahead and do that. If you know how to speak Spanish, focus on that market. So that would be my advice if you have a consulting firm or a coaching business. And finally, I just want to tell you that I'm very, very grateful to receive this 2 Comma Club Award by ClickFunnels. It really means a lot to me, and I want to tell you that if you have a strong willpower, if you want to become successful, just don't give up. Try to hire mentors, attend more online classes to figure out what needs to be done to reach the level you want to reach. So don't give up. You can absolutely do it. If I could do it, you could do it too. So keep on rocking, be a rock star.